Let's dive into the video. I want to begin by saying that there are different methods of choosing a course of study other than secondary school performance course. Secondary school performance course is just one strategy of choosing your course of study. Other methods of choosing course of study are covered in other videos. In this video, I will be covering 4 steps you can use your secondary school performance course in choosing your preferred course of study in tertiary education. Step 1. Record all senior secondary school subjects you scored 70% and above in your senior secondary 1 SS1 class, first term, second term, and third term. Step 2. Record all senior secondary school subjects you scored 70% and above in your senior secondary 2 SS2 class, first term, second term, and third term. Step 3. Record all senior secondary school subjects you scored 70% and above in your senior secondary 3 SS3 class, first term. You only record first term in your SS3 because senior secondary examinations usually commence during the second term. You will notice you will have a total of 7 terms. That is 3 terms in SS1, 3 terms in SS2, and 1 term in SS3. Total 7 terms. Step 4. Note the subjects or subjects that appeared in all 7 terms. These are the secondary school subjects you have demonstrated the most consistency. The goal here is to note the subjects you have demonstrated the most consistency in academic performance. However, if you do not have any subject found in the 7 terms, try searching for subjects that have appeared in 6 terms. You can decrease to check for secondary school subjects with at least 3 terms of consistent 70% academic performance.